Hello and welcome. Today I am working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas from Michaels. I am really happy about this color palette today. I went online looking for a seascape color combination. So that is what inspired my color palette today. I will list all of the colors that I'm going to be using today in the description. So to create my seascape painting today, I won't be using any fluid art techniques. I am just going to intentionally place the paint where I want certain colors so that I can create the image of the sky, the land, and the sea. So stay tuned for what I create. I am really happy about doing this painting today. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll let you enjoy this video and talk to you again during the wet result. Here it is. I am really loving this fluid art style seascape landscape painting that I created. I love the blues and the aqua down below with the white that I added, and then I added the custom brown there in the center. And then up top I added the pinks with a little bit of custom coral. Purple, it's a very light muted purple with some white. I wish I had a little bit more white to make it a little softer, especially down here where this is the water flowing with the landscape and the sky up above. So I'm gonna I really like doing this. I love the softer color combination, and Easter is right around the corner as well, so the pastels are definitely gonna be in, and I have plenty mixed up, so I'm so excited for that. But I did get a few sales like here and here in the pink with the white, so definitely gonna be shimmery, definitely gonna shine. Can't wait to see how it dries. Thank you for watching.